How you guys doing today? I'm working on my 88 f250 5.8 with the trying to replace the water pump. And if you tell, I didn't have really much success. I had to replace the timing cover too. I had this bolt and these two bolts here are frozen into the timing cover, or rusted in there, so it had to be grinded out. And also the timing chain is very, very, very loose. Engine only has, I believe, 87,000 miles on it, so I'm going to replace that. Waiting for the part to come. Replacing that, replacing timing cover, replacing the water pump, and the gases that go along with it. Right now, basically, I'm just kind of cleaning the engine up, and then getting that all together. There's a guy out there working on a Mustang, I believe it is. Oh, simple. It's not simple. It's every 5.8 is different. You're gonna have a good one. You're gonna have a bad one. And for example, this truck is from New Jersey. It's been to the beach where salt is. So a couple bolts came out easy. A couple of them gave you a run for money. Like I said, those bolts were frozen into the timing cover, so there was no getting out them. I had a bolt distractor. It just kept on snapping them until I grinded the bolt out around the timing cover. And as soon as I did that, I got some vice grips and some BB blaster and rocked them back and forth, and they were out all three bolts were out within 20 minutes. So don't listen to everybody saying it's simple. Everyone's simple. I have never done these before, and I just hope I don't have any problems sealing it back up. I hope everything goes smooth. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.